Hello, in this training video we're going to tell you how we painted our bridge horizontally in the colors of the Eswatini flag. So step 1 is setting up your fence in order to paint and for it to dry. So we set up wooden poles and then we put nails in and we put the fence through the nails. So next you should prime your fence. So now it's time to figure out the color ratio for your fence. So for us, all our fences had 17 square total, so this is what we found to work best. You'll see that the top of the blue has more squares than the bottom, just because you have to take into account of the 2 squares of blue that will be folded over the handrail cable. 5 blue at the top, red underneath, you'll have 2 yellow, 5 red, back to 2 yellow, and then 3 blue at the bottom. Then you should get some sort of string in order to mark the sections off. You should weave it through the fence in order for it not to droop and just to stay in place. You can also use a bit of tape in order to help with that. One final note to add is to make sure you start painting from the top of the fence. So this is what the top of the fence should look like. It will be knotted, and then in the following picture you can see that the bottom of the fence will not be. So make sure to start your 5 blue from the knotted top. Everything is marked off and you've explained to the community which section corresponds to which color you can start painting. So we could recommend starting painting from the top since the paint will droop down. Also, it is very important to use separate paintbrushes for separate colors because from experience it is very hard to wash a blue brush and to use it in a yellow section. And then once you're done painting, just make sure to let it dry and then remove the string line and you have a perfectly painted horizontal fence.